CT? Yes. Well, actually, do you have bow rounds still?
You want bow rounds?
Yes, please.
Alrighty, 598.
Thank you. Just remember, kids, it's not a streetcar until you go through the drive-thru. Just got the exhaust off the tow rig here. I think I got my money's worth out of that. So I hit a Remy piston. But it's a bear to get off. My dad had this dual exhaust put on here probably back in 94, maybe 95. Might have been 95. But so it was very hard to get off. I had to cut it and heat it with the little torch here and everything, but I'm pretty much just gonna delete the muffler and just put because there really wasn't a muffler there anyways. It was kind of coming up through between the cab and the bed, and just had the cat do all the work, it was pretty quiet still, even with the muffler blown out. And I cut the tips off because I put this oversized heavy duty hitch receiver on here, and it was kind of rattling up against here. I think you heard it in my drag prep video. The rattling noise when the truck's at idle is that was that exhaust hitting. You can see the line, the chrome line where it's rubbed the paint off out where it was hitting, making all that noise. But let's see how it sounds. I gotta move it up anyways so I can test fit the exhaust. Get this out the way. But having starter issues on this thing. I've had them for a while. I've put 3 new starters on here. But it's always just a pain to get it started. See how it is. Oh, cranked right up that time. But as you can see, it isn't that loud. There's no muffler or anything on here right now. It's just open exhaust. So I think it'll be fine. But I'll get to cutting and welding on this thing. Muffler delete is done. Time to try to throw this thing back on. One of my exhaust hangers broke, so I'll have to go buy another one from Advance or something, but we'll see how she fits. So I had to ride up here to get a exhaust hanger and a clamp for my exhaust that I did for my truck, and I think I'm gonna put this thing on the truck scale up here. When I weighed it before, I put the full exhaust back on it, and I had stock PBS convertible wheels that come on these FCs and the convertible FCs, and a steel hood. It weighed 2640 against me. Breaking the rules, going the wrong way. Come on, man. I'll let him go ahead and go because he's probably like at work. And I don't want to hold him up from doing what he's doing, so I'll go after him.
First way or leeway?
First way.
Give me a 4-digit number.
8805.
Okay, you can pull up and come in.
Thank you. See what this turd weighs. That was weird. It's never done that before. So, just went inside and it weighs 2720 right now. So, I'm not sure what I did, but since the last time it was weighed, I've added 80 pounds to it. So, which, I mean, that's still pretty light for, I mean, it's got full interior, heater, full exhaust, all that. But it is what it is. I just wanted to see what it weighed right now, just for shits and gigs. But gotta go to Advance now and get some exhaust stuff so I can finish up the shit on my truck. some exhaust finished up on this thing. The finished product. It ain't perfect, but it's good enough for me. Good enough for me. Take it down the road. The exhaust ended right there pretty much with the old, because the muffler was broke. So it should be a lot better now. Should be a whole lot better now inside. For years it's fogged up my back window when it's cold, taking off and stuff. Hardly tell I don't have a muffler on it. Straight piped. You just squat this thing, put a couple CB whips on it, put some Z71 stickers on it.